Hey, good morning, Trade Confident family. What's going on, guys? Sorry, still trying to get over this little bit of a chest sinus cold, so sorry, still a little congested. I wanted to show you guys a kind of a fun study this morning. I've been experimenting lately with how to just pull profit out of the market, and specifically looking at trades in favor, price just while money flow, even the buy signal sometimes. And I found something this morning on Ethereum that has been working really well. Now, obviously, because the market is in 4-year cycles and we are in a bull market, this is prime time. This is absolute prime time to be doing, exactly what I'm showing you guys in today's study. Part of what I'm going to show you guys is actually how we structure our scalping trades. And our scalping trades, we have 198 wins and 0 losses on our website. And I wanted to show you guys today just a quick study I found kind of fascinating. So it's a very quick strategy. There's really not much to it. It's basically states this, is that when trades in favor, this white line dips down below this green bottom section where it shows, let me get rid of this real quick, where it shows long trade zone. If you guys are taking just a 5% take profit, and you could even structure in some risk management here of a 2-to-1. So let's say, or even just a 1-to-1 actually. So 10% stop loss, 5% take profit. So you have a little bit of room for the downside for the trade to mature. I want to kind of show you what this looks like because it's been incredibly accurate, and it's just another way you guys can trade. So here's how I'll set this up. You first want to come over here to make trading really simple in the morning for you. Instead of looking for all these, just set this up. So trades in favor, and you watch for pump. Once per bar, close, and we're going to do Ethereum, watch for pump. Okay. Now, once you guys create this, it will show up on your alert section over here. And you will get an alert every time the white line crosses down into the green section, which is an 80% chance or higher of the market moving up. Now, the moment that it goes off, this strategy that you guys can use states this. If you go for a 5% take profit, which I'm going to structure it like this, and we're going to look at 5% right about here. We'll go 5.10, a little bit higher. And if we come down here to a 10%, then we can, what we'll see here is that we have a very hard time losing trades. And this is with a stop loss, which is quite interesting. So let's take a look at the next time this happened over here. The moment that it crossed down, don't cheat yourself when you're doing back tests, go to the exact candle. If it's red, go to the bottom. If it's green, go to the top, and look at 5%. I'll explain here in a second why 5% is very important. But I just wanted to show you guys some proof here. Now, what I want you guys to do is, imagine a lot of our traders, they trade with on average about $10,000 per trade. So each of these entries here, you are making, you're making $500 per win here. And the nice thing about this is a take profit and a stop loss that is set. In other words, you can pretty much walk away from the charts and do quite well. So taking a look over here, the moment this dropped down in the green section, it was actually not here. It was on the bottom. And it was on this candle right here. So again, coming in, looking at 5%. That's it, no more than 5%. And I'll explain to you guys why as I'm walking this up. So Jake did a big study. We did a big study as a team. And we said on the daily and 4-hour time frame, when trades in favor is low, and when well money flow is low into this green section here, we actually did this with a previous indicator called trend exhaustion, and we converted over to trades in favor. We did a big study, and we saw price action moved on average of between about 4 to 6% to the upside when trades in favor was in the green section. And so when we saw that, we're like, oh my gosh, this is pretty awesome. And so we developed this strategy in our trade calls where we do an average of 4% take profit, and it's been doing very well for us. So again, right here, not at the bottom, you have to go to the top of this. And if you go to 5%, 5% is going to place you right about here, a little bit less. And this got taken out on this candle wick right here. And if you go down to 10% at the bottom right there, you can see that this 10% never got hit. It did overlap this trade, so you would basically go from this trade, you'd skip to this one, and you go to this one. I'll do maybe just one more here. I don't want to drag this out too long. I think you guys could really benefit, and you guys can use this honestly on any cryptocurrency you'd like. It's pretty staggering. Remember, just daily and 4-hour, the best take profit is between 4 to 6%. Actually, how about this? Today happens to be my birthday. So kind of just doing this on the fly. At the absolute end of this video, like on the end screen, like once you get past like everything, like literally at the end, I will put on a coupon code on the screen, and I'll give you guys a bigger discount than anything we have on the website right now for non-members. If you guys want to, get these indicators to trade with. So right here, we dip down. Make sure you guys are, just being honest with where this entry is, which is right about here, and look at 5%, which is right about here in the market. And we're going to look for a 10% take profit. Now, of course, you guys are probably looking at this and you're like, well, you could structure this at 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. And that is true. I'm just showing you guys, what this looks like with a little bit, grace to the downside. But let's count this up here now. And I could show you guys more back here. I'm not trying to cherry pick here. This is just, I don't want to make this video too long. Risk management, there will be losing trades. I just want to say that. But because you have a stop loss and you're using a 4 to 6% take profit, this will win a lot of times. So let's say you're using $10,000 per trade. So again, here, you've made $500 here. You've made $500 here. You have to skip this one. So you've made $500 here and $500 here. So you've made $2,000 out of a, or 20%. And so this is pretty staggering, guys. You can use this on any cryptocurrency. I suggest, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, sticking to maybe these top coins up here. When you start getting into low market cap, it gets a little bit more fluctuation. But I would say stick to the top 20 to 30, and you guys will do quite well. So that's pretty much the video I wanted to come out with today to share with you guys. Sorry, it's not super high energy, but I really found this piece fascinating, and we're starting to look at more strategies here. So the indicators are in the description. Here's the deal. We give our members, if you're not a member, you're going to get $50 off. I'm going to put a coupon code at the end of this video where you guys get more than $50 off. If you're a member, go ahead and use the $150. But I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you guys $100 off today instead of $50. You don't need to sign up for a membership, but use that $100 and take that off of the $4.99 that we have here. So it's only $3.99. Again, the reason why I like to show you guys percentages and call out dollar amounts is that, when you have a strategy like this and you're just waiting for signals, you're setting a take profit, setting a stop loss, it's very simple to just let these trades run over and over and over again. I do recommend that you do use, buy limits as well. That is just going to keep you really, really safe. And you can do so by when you see an entry using, a market order, buy limit 1 and buy limit 2, and splitting your order into 3 different sections. So if you have $10,000, 333, 3,333, 3,333, 3,333 at each level. And then this will protect you even more. But if you don't want to do that, based off how accurate these indicators are, if you trade this long enough and you're just consistent, most likely you're going to come out and profit quite substantially in the end. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Again, I'll leave a big coupon code at the end of this video for you guys, but feel free to use this on any time frame. Use it on only 4-hour or daily. I was gonna say any cryptocurrency. Try to stay above the 35 for coin market cap. Stay at the 4-hour or the daily, and I think you guys will find great success with this. All right, guys, enjoy. God bless. Enjoy the indicators, and I'll leave you guys a coupon code here at the end. Go to the very, very end of the video where it has a black screen, and I'll give that to you guys. All right, God bless. Talk to you later. Bye.